today we are going to do a little bit of reviewing for our test, which will either be tomorrow or Wednesday, depending on how long it takes us to get through our review this afternoon part. The part list we're going to do this afternoon too. Today we are going to focus on what? Who can read our I can statement? Tamaya, read our I can statement.
I can explain and decide if an angle is right, acute, or obtuse.
I can decide if an angle is right, acute, or obtuse. Turn to your neighbor and tell your neighbor each of those definitions.
Obtuse is bigger. And the right angle is the right.
Be back to me in 5, 3, 1. Voices are off. Eyes are on me. What's an acute angle? Kimberly, what's an acute angle?
It's less than 90 degrees.
It's less than 90 degrees. It's so cute. It's little. It's an acute angle. It's less than 90 degrees. What's a right angle? How about this? Show me with your arms. What's a right angle? It's the part like the corner of a square, right? So a right angle is how many degrees? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Desarius. It's 90 degrees. That corner is 90 degrees. What's the big one called? What is that called, Ronnie?
Obtuse.
Obtuse. What's an obtuse angle? Mr. Greeley. Bigger than 90 degrees. It's bigger than 90 degrees. Acute. Smaller.
Like that.
90, right. Bigger. What's it called? Obtuse. Okay? So, we've been talking about angles for the last couple weeks. We've been talking about different geometrical shapes. We've been talking about 2D, 3D. What else have we been talking about? Ronnie. Polygons. What's a polygon? Huh. Forgot. Tavia, what's a polygon? Something that has 3 sides or more. What about those sides? What's specific about those sides? Mr. Greeley?
All the sides straight.
All the sides are straight. They can't be like, woohoo, on this crazy line over here. No, they have to be straight, right? What else? What else is specific about a polygon? Kimberly? They're 2-dimensional. They're not 3D. They're not coming off the page at you. They're 2-dimensional. They're flat, right? Anything else you want to tell me about polygons? Anything you want to tell me about a 3-dimensional shape? 2 things about a 3-dimensional shape. Give me one. What's something that we count all 3 pieces of a 3-dimensional shape? Or 3 things that we count on a 3-dimensional shape? Their face is one. What else? Carol?
Edges.
Their edges. Their sides. What else, Henry? Give me one last thing. Vertices. What's vertices not? What's vertices if I'm just talking about what? Singular version of vertices. Demario. Vertex. Okay, so today we're just focusing, right now I should say, this afternoon we're going to review a lot more in depth too, but for right now we're just focusing on right, acute, and obtuse angles, okay? So in order to do that, we're going to play Kahoot, right?
Yay.
Computer technician, help me pass out computers. We are only passing them out to people that are sitting quietly. Their group is showing us that they're ready. Oh, that's wonderfully. Only passing them out to people that have their whole group sitting quietly. They're not being open when they get to their desks. They're waiting patiently for directions. Thank you for your help, computer technician. Oh, Henry's table is showing me that they are not ready.
Don't look at me.
Henry, you're the one talking. Turn it off. Henry, turn it off. Show us that you're ready to be a 5th grader in like less than 2 weeks. Okay? You need one more? No one should be touching their computers yet. I see a couple people that are not following directions. We need 3 more, Emily. Perfect. All right, so give me some refreshers of how we use Chromebooks. How do we use Chromebooks properly? Esmeralda, give me one thing we do. We're not playing with them. Demarion, give me another one. Don't mash buttons and be rough with them. Their computers are gentle. Kimberly, what's another thing? Yep, we want to be on school appropriate things. Should you be following directions when we're on the Chromebook?
Yes.
Yes. Should you be following my computer, what we're doing on the computer?
Yes.
Yes, you should. Computer technician, can you help me get the Chromebook? You should be showing the class that you are ready, and that you're showing your group that you are ready to be a part of this class. That you're mature enough to show us that you can handle working on a Chromebook, okay? So, what I need you to do is open your Chromebook. You're signing into your Chromebook. I love, love, love my subtraction table is doing just what I asked them to do. They're all on task. My addition table is blowing it out of the park. Why don't you just go get a different computer? Oh, maybe not. I'm looking for students that are waiting patiently. Once you have that done, you should open up a Google, the Google app.
It didn't work.
It's not working on that one. You try. I'm looking for just the Google page open. You're not clicking anything yet. Give me just a second. You are going to, I gotta pull the website up, I'm sorry, I should have had that done already. KAHOOT.IT. Hold on, I'm gonna write it on the board for you, hang on. I gotta make sure that's the right one. Hold on, just be patient. The internet's been kind of funny this morning, so just be patient. How we doing? Here, let's get it. Let me try it. My directions were, go to kahootit.com. Same thing we went to before. KAHOOT.IT. Kahoot.it. Emily, I love how you're following directions. I can see that your screen is colorful. My subtraction table is talking way too much. Kahoot.it. All right, yours is all set up, my friend. Let me see some computer screens. I'm checking to make sure we have everybody on what they're supposed to be. It should be a colorful screen and look just like mine. Anyone that does not have the same screen as me?
It's a Chrome didn't shut down correctly.
Okay. So hit X. X. Click here. they're showing me that they're not ready to do what they're supposed to be doing? Yes, let's try again. Right. Yeah, the internet's been kind of funny this morning, so be patient. Who's making all that noise? We can turn your computer off and you cannot participate if that's the choice you're going to make. Where's my water bottle? It's fine, Ronnie. You're fine. Mr. Greeley, what can I help you with? I'm getting to that. You need to learn this wonderful thing called patience. Okay? All right, I'm looking for tables that are showing me they're ready. Looking for a table that's sitting quietly. They're showing me that they are ready to do this. Mr. Closer, please shut my lights off. All right. Let the games begin. Here we go. Okay, we are playing. Yes, Jatavia, you can scoot up here. Use the red thing. Jabria, you may move up as well if you can't see. Nope, those are the only two I have to worry about. No worries. I'm looking for a quiet class. All right, Kahoot game pin is 76001. I'm going to turn that way now. 76001. Your nickname must contain your first name, must be school appropriate, and must have a number in it.
So first name first?
First name, school appropriate, and a number in it. We've got Mr. Greeley, Kiara, Deshaun, Jabria, Jatavia, Tamaya, Mr. Carroll, Brianna, I'm seeing a lot of people. Latravion's in. Emily, Henry, Esmeralda, Ratasia. Demario. Who am I missing? If your screen does not say you're in, we have a problem. You should be logged in by now. I believe you.
We only got 9 players.
No, it says 19. The screen's a little off. I'm going to fix it.
How many finished that today?
19.
Ah! Everybody? I didn't kick you.
We are really close to putting the computers up. This is unacceptable right now.
Did that really hurt?
Excuse me. Do we need to turn your computers off? Okay, we have 19 players. Remember that the answers are on the screen, but your screens will only have the colors and the shapes, okay? So this one's all about angles. Has 10 questions in it. Your computers must stay flat on your desk. What type of angle is this? Don't say it out loud. Still waiting for 3 people to answer, 2 people to answer. You should have had it cute. That one was smaller than 90 degrees, right?
Who picked rice? Oh my God.
Good job, Henry. What type of angle is this? Remember, the faster you answer, the more points you get. Right, that is in a corner angle. That is ready to be put in the corner of a square. Good job. I'm glad everyone got that right. What type of angle is this? Don't worry, they all don't ask that question. It is bigger than 90 degrees. Ooh, just because it's upside down doesn't mean it changes.
I got it right.
Henry, relax. Waiting for one more person. if the angle's upside down, backwards, inside out? Does it matter? No. If it's smaller than 90 degrees, if it's this way, if it's this way, if it's this way, it doesn't matter. It's always going to be acute if it's smaller. Don't let the direction that they're giving it to you mess you up. In which angle can you draw a perfect square? So which of those angles can you make a perfect square with?
Oh, I know.
Which angle do you need for a perfect square? A right angle. A right angle. Good. Everybody got that one right.
What?
Which is the smallest? An acute angle. Is a right angle smaller than an acute angle? Show me with your hand. A right angle looks like this. Show me an acute angle. Oh, that's definitely smaller than a right angle, right?
Yeah. I'm 78.
Which type of angle is shown in the red on this pizza? So what angle is that the red is pointing to? Right here. What's this angle called? Acute. It is smaller than 90 degrees. You're going to miss the next part. Stop talking. The corner of the bread down here, this corner. What is that called? It is a right angle. You're going to miss it. You're talking too much, Mr. Greeley. So the blue up here. What type of angle is this? It's obtuse. It's bigger. It was bigger than a 90-degree angle. It was like this. So it was obtuse because it was bigger than 90 degrees. Last question. Ooh, Mrs. Kenny's throwing a tricky one.
Yes!
It is a straight angle. I'm not going to shout over you. I'm not going to shout over you. If you can hear my voice, clap once. If you can hear my voice, clap twice. You need to be able to stop when we're ready, when we're done with each question, and show me that you're ready for the next one, right? Yeah. A straight angle means a straight across, okay? It's not a right, it's not acute, it's not obtuse, it's straight across. Show me a straight angle with your arms. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. Esmeralda got all of them correct. Good job. Give her a round of applause. All right. So, Deshaun came in pretty close, and Henry, then Ronnie, then Kimberly. Okay. I need your computers shut and left on your desk. Set them off to the side. Show me that you can handle moving from each thing, each activity that we're doing quickly. Your computer should be shut and set off to the side. Mr. Pringle, my closer, can you go turn on our lights, please?
Open the door.
No, keep the door closed for me.
Okay.
Paper passer.
Okay.
Okay, she says. All right. You're going to pass out half and pass out half. When you get this, what are you going to put on your paper?
Name and number.
Name, date, number. I'm going to open up my class dojo in a second because I have some people that are showing me they're not ready to learn. Extra person, where are you? Esmeralda, are you my extra person this week? Can you very carefully go put this back there without disturbing my phone for me? Thank you so much, dear. All right. Point to your name. Point to your number. Point to the date. Okay. I'm going to have the closer turn off the lights really quick for me just so I can show you what we're doing today. I think you'll get it pretty quick. Okay, should be pretty easy. We're going to do the first two together though. Number 1. You should be on the side where it says obtuse for the example. The sign that says obtuse. All right, number 1 is this. Let's read the directions first. Determine if the angle shown is acute, obtuse, right, or straight. Number 1, what do we think? Give me a hand up when you're ready to answer. Acute, right, obtuse, straight. Henry. Obtuse, he says. Give me a thumbs up if you agree. Guys, number 1 is right here. This is example. We're looking at number 1. All right. Look at it again. You should not, just a note, you should not have your computer underneath your paper. It should be set off to the side like I asked you to have it.
Let's take it all the way on our desk.
Looking for 4th graders that are showing me they're ready to be 5th graders in less than 2 weeks. So let's try that again. Number 1, right, obtuse, acute, or straight. Henry.
Right.
Right. It is a right angle. So we're going to go over to the answer side and write R-I-G-H-T. Number 2. We're doing 2 together. Then you're going to do them on your own. Tamaya.
Obtuse.
Raise your hand if you agree with Tamaya. Fabulous. Spell obtuse for me.
O-B-T-U-S-A-E.
Fabulous. You may do this with the people sitting at your table. I'm going to give you about 4 minutes for this side. I think it should go pretty quick.